Here I'm going to show you guys how to apply these transformations to this function, and we also write an equation for the final result. Check this out. First, we are given f of x is equal to x squared, and that's just our girlfriend parabola. So I will give you guys a picture right here. And again, f of x equals x squared. The first thing that we'll be doing is that we'll take this and shift it 3 units left. So here will be a picture for it. 3 units left, so it will be at -3. So that's it right here. So this is the picture for it. And the way that we are going to do this is that, remember, whenever we shift the graph horizontally, we are going to either add or subtract a number directly to the x. Here we move to the left 3 units. We are going to add 3 directly to the x. So we are talking about f of x plus 3. And if you do this, it will be parentheses x plus 3 square. So keep this in mind, it's the opposite. When we have the graph moving to the left, you actually add. And the reason for that is because you see originally the vertex is at the origin. That means we have to make sure that we get 0 square. And in order for this quantity to be 0, x has to be -3. It was -3 earlier, that means we have to add 3. That's how we can produce the 0 square. Yeah. Alright, then we are going to take this and then go up 4 units. So the picture will look like this. Here we have -3 and go up 4 units. So that's a new vertex, and the picture will look like this. When we move vertically, we are going to add or subtract a number after the function. In this case, we go up 4 units. So we will have f of x plus 3 from the previous one. And then we add 4 after that. So the equation will be this, which is x plus 3 in a parentheses square, and then we add 4 to it, just like that. Finally, this might be a tricky part. We are going to take this graph and reflect it about the x-axis. Let's get a picture first. Reflection about the x-axis means that originally it was right here. Now it has to go down to be right here. Right? Reflection about the x-axis. So it's like this, and now it's going like this. So instead at the vertex -3, 4, we will get a new vertex -3 and -4 here. And now the parabola will be opened upside down. Now, how can we make this happen? Well, you have to remember, whenever it's the reflection about the x-axis, we have to negate the whole equation, negate the whole thing. So here we will have negative parentheses of the previous equation, which is f of x plus 3, and then plus 4. And this is going to be negative parentheses of that, which is x plus 3 square plus 4. Yeah. So I prefer the answer to be written in this form because it shows us we move to the left 3 units and then go up 4 units, then do the reflection in this particular order. If the order is different, then you may end up with a different equation. So I prefer it this way, and I'll just box this for you guys right here. This is the final result. But of course, if you want to distribute the negative, then I cannot stop you. You can also write it as negative parentheses x plus 3 square and then -4. Up to you. Alright, hopefully this really helps. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below and let me know. That's it.